Welcome to this tutorial on Write-Host, one of PowerShell's most commonly used cmdlets for displaying text to the console. Write-Host allows you to output messages directly to the screen, making it perfect for providing feedback to users. You can even add colors to make your output more visually appealing and easier to understand. Let's explore how this powerful cmdlet works. The basic syntax of Write-Host is straightforward. You simply type Write-Host followed by the text you want to display, enclosed in double quotes. For example, Write-Host "hello, world!" quote will display the message hello, world! On your console. This is the simplest form of the cmdlet, and it's all you need to start displaying messages to your users. Write-Host has 4 key characteristics you should understand. First, it provides console output, displaying text directly to the PowerShell console. Second, the output is not pipeline data, meaning it doesn't pass through PowerShell's pipeline to other commands. Third, it's designed specifically for user information, making it ideal for messages and feedback. And fourth, it supports color, allowing you to display text in different colors to emphasize important information or categorize messages. You can enhance your output by adding colors using 2 parameters. The foreground color parameter changes the text color itself. For example, Write-Host "success!" foreground color green displays green text. The background color parameter changes the background behind the text. You can also combine both parameters to create even more distinctive output. For instance, Write-Host "error!" foreground color red background color black creates red text on a black background. PowerShell provides 16 standard colors you can use with Write-Host. These include black, blue, cyan, dark cyan, dark gray, dark green, dark magenta, dark red, dark yellow, gray, green, magenta, red, white, and yellow. Each color is displayed here so you can see exactly how they look. You can use any of these colors for either the foreground or background of your text, giving you plenty of options to make your console output clear and visually organized. By default, Write-Host adds a line break after each output, moving the cursor to the next line. However, you can use the NoNewline Parameter to keep output on the same line. This is useful for building messages progressively. For example, you could write Write-Host "processing "NoNewline," followed by Write-Host ""NoNewline," and then Write-Host "space done!" foreground color green. This produces the output processing ... space done! All on one line. Let's look at a practical example that combines what we've learned. First, we create 2 variables. $name equals "Alice," and $status equals "success." Then we use Write-Host user space ""NoNewline," followed by Write-Host $name foreground color cyan. This displays the user name in cyan. Next, we write Write-Host status space ""NoNewline," and then Write-Host $status foreground color green. This creates a clean, colorful output that's easy to read and understand. Here are 4 best practices for using Write-Host effectively. First, use it for messages like user feedback, status updates, and progress indicators. Second, use colors for context. Green typically indicates success, red signals errors, and yellow suggests warnings. Third, remember that Write-Host is not for data. Avoid using it when output needs to be captured or piped to other commands. And finally, consider alternatives. Use Write-Output for pipeline data or Write-Verbose for debug information. Following these practices will help you use Write-Host appropriately in your PowerShell scripts.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.